Hi there! If you're studying, living, or working in Hungary, you definitely need to understand and use time expressions. Why? Because they help you make plans, know when things are happening, and communicate smoothly with your friends or colleagues. Today we will cover some essential phrases like next week or after Christmas. Ma, holnap, tegnap, jövő hét, múlt hét, ez a hét. Jövő hónap, múlt hónap, 2 hét múlva, 2 hónap múlva. Karácsony előtt. Hamarosan, később. Nap, hét, hónap, év. Let's see how they work in action. We'll cover 3 key points. How to talk about events before and after each other. How to say when something will happen. And how to refer to last or next week, month or year. Let's get started. Expressing events in relation to each other. We often need to describe events happening before or after something else. In Hungarian, we use the words előtt, before, and után, after. Előtt is before something, után is after something. For example, Christmas is karácsony. Karácsony előtt, before Christmas. Karácsony után, after Christmas. Easy, right? Now let's talk about how to describe events from today. When we want to say that something will happen in a certain amount of time, we use the word múlva. This means in X amount of time. For example, 2 hét múlva, in 2 weeks. 1 hónap múlva, in 1 month. I'm talking about last and next time periods. If you want to talk about the past, like last week, we use the word múlt. For the future, like next month, we use jövő. So múlt is past, jövő is next. For example, múlt hét, last week. Jövő hónap, next month. These are really useful expressions for talking about time. Now let's see how you can use these time expressions in real-life situations. Mikor tartjuk a következő megbeszélést? 2 hét múlva, hétfőn, jó? Igen. Mikor mész szabadságra? Jövő hónapban, 2 hétre. Szuper! Karácsony után találkozunk. Mikorra szeretne időpontot? Jövő hét kedden ráérek. Reggel 9 jó lesz? Igen, akkor jövő hét kedden találkozunk. So let's quickly recap what we learned today. Előtt means before and után means after. Múlva means in a time period for future events. Múlt means last and jövő means next when talking about weeks, months or years. That's it for today. Now you're ready to talk about time in Hungarian.